Hey everyone, welcome to the fifth and the last part of our series Cognitive Development during different stages of life. And today we will be discussing adulthood and old age, a stage where thought evolves to become more practical, adaptive, and deeply reflective. While Piaget focused primarily on cognitive development until adolescence, many psychologists believe that in adulthood thinking moves beyond his formal operational stage. This new form of thinking is called post formal thought. In this stage, thoughts become more flexible and practical, focused on real world decision making, capable of navigating complexities and contradictions. Post formal thinking is relativistic, recognizing that truth isn't always absolute, dialectical, accepting and reconciling contradictions, contextual, decision often depend on the situation at hand. In middle adulthood, typically between the 40s and 60s, crystallized intelligence, that is, accumulated knowledge and life experience, continues to grow. Meanwhile, fluid intelligence, which is the ability to process new information quickly and solve novel problems, may begin to decline. Adults often rely on their expertise, efficiency, and practical knowledge to solve problems. As people move into late adulthood, that is 60 plus years of age, memory capacity and processing speed may reduce. Divided attention becomes more difficult, and vocabulary, general knowledge, and wisdom often remain stable or even might improve. One of the most valued cognitive assets in the later life is wisdom. Wisdom involves taking perspective, practicing empathy, judging what truly matters in life. It grows not just with the age but with meaningful reflection and life experience. Not every elderly person is wise, it depends on their journey of learning and introspection. Cognitive aging is not just about decline, it's about adaptation. Here are some key ways to maintain cognitive health. By mental stimulation, that is, reading puzzles, learning, or new skills, physical activity that supports brain function, and social connection and emotional well being are very essential for mental agility. In adulthood and old age, the mind does not stop growing. It simply learns to think in more nuanced and compassionate and adaptive ways.